That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money. That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money.
Hello, welcome to Finance 101. Like I said in my last video, I feel like it's time to buy since stocks has been dropping so much. So, as I promised, today I'm gonna start buying, but I'm gonna take it easy and buy a little bit at a time. But I'm only buying what you would say blue chip company. So, if you pay any attention, you notice that Amazon has spread their stocks, and when they first did it, it was $125 US, and right now has dropped to I think 109. So I'm gonna buy 2 shares of that. So let's go down to our TFSA account. We're gonna go in and I already own a small amount of fractional share of Amazon, so I'm just gonna add on to it. So I come right here and you can see Amazon here. The price right now is 109.67. So let's see, I go in here and it seems like the interface has changed a little bit, so I can just do it from the side here. I deposited $290 Canadian, and in return I got $224.08 Canadian. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna do a limit buy. So I'm gonna set up limit buy, and as you can see, when I got in, it has changed from the price it was to 109.18. So our limit buy, hopefully we're gonna set it here $109, and what is gonna be 18. So say 10. You're gonna put 10 cents and see. And down here, when it asks you how many, we're gonna put 2 shares here. And when we scroll all the way down here, it should tell us it's gonna come to $218.20. So we're just gonna add buy. And right now they say it's very volatile, so I can't say enough. Use limit buy and set the price point where you want to buy it at, because if you go market buy, it might jump up as a second you buy and it just drop right down. So let's see right here, understand, and see roll down, we just go continue, and hopefully we'll get it. So it's estimated $282.39 Canadian. So we just confirm, and that's that. We will get our shares soon. That's about it. Right now I'm just gonna keep buying my favorite companies since I feel like everything's on sale, and just build up. We just weather the storm, and when it's time to uptrending, we don't want to be the people who is late to the party. So you will start from there, and everybody know what Amazon is. Amazon, everyone knows it's going to end up going up. It's not like a company that you're taking a risk on. They did a reverse spread, so people will be able to get in at the right price target, because it was way too high and it would have been hard for regular people as us to buy even 1 share. But at this point, you might as well stacking up on it. And maybe the next one I'm gonna buy more Apple. I got some companies I wanna buy. So the ones I wanna add on right now, let's see. So the companies I wanna add on to right now is Apple. I'll buy some more Amazon. Bristol Myers, yeah, maybe I buy some, but this company, Clearfield Asset Management, I'm really waiting to load up on that company too. I also want to buy more Ford. Like I bought Ford, I think was $9 or $10, and I think a couple weeks back, Ford went down a little bit too, up to like $11. I should have bought more, but I wasn't sure where the market was going. As you can see, my average price on Ford was $11.65. So I need to buy more of that. And most of the companies I have on my list are probably gonna end up buying more. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and I see you on the next one. Peace.